Simplify 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 6 divide 64 equals to 4 to the power x. So this one we can write 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 6, it means 2 times 2 to the power 6, just making addition, and this 64 we can write unchanged 64, and this is 4 to the power x. So 64 divide 2, it's a 32, right? Now this 2 to the power 6 will be unchanged, and against this 32 we can write 2 to the power 5 equals to 4 to the power x. So as per law of indices, we know a to the power m divide a to the power n. It means once the base are same, that time the power will be subtract. So 2 6 minus 5 equals to 4 to the power x, or against this one we can write 2 to the power 2x. Here base are same, and here 6 minus 5 is a 1. Now look, this is 2x, so answer is x equals to 1 by